This video courtesy of Bodycam Edition. I don't know when last you've seen a very, very cool window smash. This video has that. We also have a TikTok lawyer, somebody that might possibly be under influence allegedly, and a very cool ending. Let's go ahead and watch this traffic stop. What happens here is the female driver, all over the road, nearly hit a squad car. Cop stop her, and let's see what happens.
Hey, can you roll the window down for me?
No.
Okay, well then you need to step out of the vehicle.
No, I don't.
Yes, this is a traffic stop.
For what? What crime?
For multiple different IVC violations. If you roll your window down so we can talk, I'm Officer McCall, Bloomington Police, I'm wearing a body camera. Okay, there's several reasons why I'm stopping you. Number one, you don't have a front license plate on your vehicle. Number two, you failed to signal 100 feet prior to your turn. Number three, when you turned off of Morris right in front of my squad car. No, I don't have to repeat it for you on your camera, okay? I'm repeating it on my time. You can't even figure out your camera right now.
That's a mouthful. I would probably comply with a cop at this point in time.
Went over the middle line, okay? Give me your license and your insurance, please.
Have you subscribed to the channel yet? You like what I do? Please go ahead and subscribe. Give us a like, say hi in the comments. We appreciate that. All right, let's watch our TikTok lawyer here.
25 will take the return. She's refusing to get out of the vehicle and refusing to provide ID.
I have a right.
Give me your driver's
You
license.
don't need to tap.
Give me your driver's license or this window's gonna get busted in. That's what's gonna happen.
Would you just tell me what's going to happen?
I said if you don't listen and give me your driver's license
You're going to
and step out of the vehicle, the window's gonna get busted in. Absolutely. Pennsylvania v. Mims is a Supreme Court case that requires you to exit the vehicle when demanded, and I'm demanding it. Get out of the vehicle.
That's what I would call a fair warning.
Get out of the vehicle. Are you gonna give me your license?
My license. I will tell you.
No, give me your license. Okay, we're gonna play this difficult. All right, guys, she's refusing to get out of the vehicle and won't roll her window down, so we're gonna bust it. You gonna get out of the vehicle? Are you gonna get out of the vehicle? Get out of the vehicle.
I haven't done anything.
You're under arrest for obstructing. Get out of the vehicle.
Guys, this is gonna be a cool window bust. I promise you, gotta see this.
Are you gonna get out, or do you want your window busted? You're trying to make a big scene, and it's your fault for not exiting the vehicle.
With a car.
You're in a car, and you've made multiple IVC violations, and now you're not identifying yourself with a driver's license, and you're not providing insurance, and you're not stepping out of the vehicle.
I will give
Ma'am?
you my
Get out of the vehicle now. Ready?
nothing in my car.
Okay, get out of your vehicle.
I have no right.
This is your last warning. Get out of the vehicle, or I'm going to break the window.
You are bullying me.
Get out of the vehicle, or I'm going to break the window.
Wow.
Get out of the vehicle. Go ahead.
Wow, that was wild.
Get out of the vehicle.
That is in my eye.
Get out of the vehicle. I warned you when I was.
You don't
I
know
warned
me.
you. Get out of the vehicle.
What the?
Put your hands behind your back. Are you surprised at what happened? I warned you when I was going to break the window.
You're a bully.
I warned you when the window was going to break, and I told you what would happen if you didn't get out of the vehicle. You've been told everything that was going to happen from the very beginning. No. You are on a traffic stop. You are required to give your driver's license. You are required to give your driver's license. Do you understand that? You are.
No, I'm not.
You haven't even identified yourself.
What you're doing is illegal.
Okay.
She knows her rights. She has gone to TikTok School of Law. She got a diploma. It's called a stupid certificate, I think. I could be wrong. But yeah, another TikTok lawyer. Window smash for nothing. Absolutely nothing. Arrested for nothing. Well, she was being a dummy. She just have complied. Simple as that.
I have nothing on me. I haven't done anything wrong.
And stand up.
What the?
Okay, you go ahead and step back here. You are under arrest.
Are you kidding me?
No.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay, go ahead and stand right here. I'm gonna check your pockets.
I don't have pockets.
You do. Why are your pants not even? Get back here. Where are you going? You are in custody. You are under arrest.
For what crime?
For obstructing at the
Why
very
did I
least.
obstruct?
And probably DUI.
Get your hands off
And
me.
now resisting. You're adding charges.
No,
Knock it
I'm
off.
not. Get your hands
You
off
are
me.
absolutely adding charges.
Get your hands off
No,
me.
you're in custody. That's not how this works. You couldn't listen to simple commands earlier, and now here we are.
I got a fucking goddamn constitutional right.
Stop.
And what you're doing is unconstitutional.
Yeah, yeah. I suppose you can be stupid with that right as well. I don't know. I'm just thinking. Yeah. It's amazing what these people can come up with.
Because I should submit to a man, right?
I don't care if it's a guy or a girl officer telling me what to do. You need to listen.
You didn't have to pull in my car like that and bust my window out.
Ma'am, how many opportunities did you want me to give you? Are you a toddler? How do you want me to count to 3? I told you like
Did
what,
you
12
just-
times? How many times did I tell you what was going to happen? Was it a
Am I
surprise
a
to you?
toddler?
Yes, you
Yeah, you act like a toddler. An entitled toddler, actually. That's the way you act.
can't listen to simple instructions.
How many times did your mommy hurt you?
Okay. How much have you had to drink tonight? 1,
After
2,
you busted out
4,
my
5.
window and drug me out
8,
my
9,
car
10.
and threw me on the fucking ground?
Yes, because
What
I can
he's,
smell
what
it
he's
coming off
asking
your
is
breath.
just how many alcoholic beverages have you consumed tonight?
After you drug me out of my car and busted out my window,
No,
I'm pretty
before
sure
that.
that's illegal.
Before that.
I'm pretty sure that's illegal.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Before that. Do you have any eye problems or abnormalities? Any eye
Yeah.
problems or abnormalities? Okay.
Yeah, with people who have fucking power issues.
Okay.
I don't think she's willing to do field sobriety tests.
Really?
Fuck you!
Okay.
You're taking away all of my rights!
Okay. You're in custody right now.
You're taking away my rights!
Stop.
To call somebody! I have a
That's not
fucking
the
bully
case.
me!
Stop.
Bully me!
Nobody's trying to bully you. You
Yes,
keep walking
you
away
are.
and telling us what we're going to do. That's not how this works.
Stop
Understand?
groping
Stop.
me!
Nobody's groping
Get your
you.
fucking
I'm
hands
holding
off
you
me!
by your bicep.
You don't have a
Okay?
right!
You
trying
are
to walk in
under
the street.
arrest and you keep resisting and
What
walking
am
away.
I under arrest for?
Number 1, resisting. Number 2, obstructing. Okay? And you've got a slew of traffic charges on top of that.
No, I don't.
You do.
Where?
Citations. I'm going to write
Show
them here in a
me.
minute.
Show me.
I will show you every single one as
Oh,
soon as
you
I
want to
write
write
them,
them
okay?
now?
How much have you had to drink tonight?
You want to write them now? I have nothing. You have pulled me over illegally. Get off of me.
Turn around.
Get your
Keep
fucking
taking
hands
your leg.
off of
No,
me.
because every time I let go of you, you just try walking away.
Get your hands off of me.
Stop.
You can bully me some more. You pieces of shit.
It's amazing how stupid you can get if you have alcohol in your body. Allegedly. Let me just put that out there. The stupid gene just comes out, man. Rampant. It's rampant. I don't know. I don't know why people think it's a good idea to consume alcohol. I don't know. It doesn't make sense to me. But here we have. We get some good videos because of that, I think.
I didn't think you guys were that bad.
All you have to do is get out of the vehicle. Why are you making it so difficult?
I didn't have to get out of the vehicle.
You did.
I have a right. It's called a constitutional right.
Okay, what right do you think you have that means that you can disobey a police officer on a traffic stop?
You
Where's
are
your
a
right?
peace officer, sir.
Yeah.
You are not a goddamn constitutional right. I didn't do anything wrong. I was traveling.
Okay, and immediately when I walk up there, you won't roll your window down and you won't
I
give me your
don't
ID.
have to comply to you.
That's fine, but then I can tell you to get out of the vehicle.
Yeah, but you didn't have to bust my window open either.
I did, because
and
you
then
wouldn't get
throw
out.
me on the ground.
And you wouldn't ID yourself.
Did she say she was traveling? She just said she was traveling. So, Softset, right? That's a Softset. A normal person doesn't travel. We drive. Softset, on the other hand, they travel. And now she's thrown to jail. Imagine that. Imagine that. What a shocker. I don't know.
You don't have to
required to
do
do both
that.
of those
That is
things.
a constitutional right,
All right.
motherfucker.
I'm going to let you know your rights, okay? You have the right to
your
remain
rights,
silent.
or you need to get the f- out of
have-
my face. face.
Listen to me. You have the right to remain silent. You don't have to talk
There's
to me.
nothing in my
Anything
car.
that you say or do can and will be used against you in the court of law or other proceedings. You have the right to talk to an attorney before I ask you any questions, and I have them with you during questioning.
But you won't let
if
me
you
call
can't afford
anybody.
to hire an
But you
attorney,
won't let me
one
call
will be
anybody
appointed to
'cause
represent
you
you
took my
before any
phone.
questioning if you
Because
wish.
you took my phone.
You can decide at
You
any time to
took
exercise
my
these rights
phone.
or not make any statements. Do
Yeah,
you
you busted
understand
a
your
window
rights?
open in my eye.
Do you understand your rights?
Nope.
What part of that
No.
do you not understand?
I understand that you violated the shit out of my rights.
Okay, do you understand your rights though?
Nope.
So you don't understand your rights,
No.
but you understand that we violated your rights. Is that
No.
what you're telling me?
The fact that she just doesn't know her rights, I think she's actually correct there. I think so. What do you guys think? Did the cops violate any of her rights? I don't know. I have no idea. Let me know.
Nope. I do not understand my rights.
Okay.
Get out of my face.
Okay. Okay, so you're fine then? You're denying any medical treatment?
No, I want medical treatment.
Well,
I
that's what
also
I'm trying-
want psychological treatment.
What for?
For you. Get out of my face. Shove that fucking light in my face again. You pulled in my car and busted my window open.
Alright, Deanna, I feel like you're under the influence of alcohol, so I'd like to do some field sobriety tests to make sure that you're safe to drive. Are you willing to do those tests?
I am willing to fucking have you leave me the fuck alone.
Okay, well,
I
unfortunately,
didn't
that's
have to be
not an option.
harassed like this.
Okay.
Well, if you consume alcohol and you drive all over the road, I think it's the cop's job to actually pull you over and check you out. Now, I'm not saying you're drunk. I'm not saying you had an ounce of alcohol over your lips. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that if you are drunk and if you are traveling all over the road, then it might be a good idea for the cops to pull you over and do a sobriety test. Don't you agree with me? You should agree with me on that, I think.
So what do you think should have happened? You said, oh, I don't want to identify myself, and we should have just said, okay,
I
have a nice
don't
day.
have a right to. I don't have to identify myself.
Why
I
do you
know
think
the Constitution.
Why do you think that you don't have to identify yourself?
Because I don't have to. Because it's called the Constitution.
Okay, well, you almost hit my squad car. You don't have a front license plate. You were
I
weaving
am
back and forth in
sorry
your
that
lane,
I
and you failed
I
to
was
signal 100 feet
trying-
prior to your turn.
That
So
doesn't
those
mean
are
that
all
needed
the
my window busted.
No, I didn't want to do that.
Like this.
I didn't want to do that. That's why I kept asking you to get out of the vehicle, but you wouldn't. What am I supposed to do? Your level of cooperation is going to impact how
And
quickly
I'm
you
telling
get to
you
leave.
that everybody can leave right now. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Why would you fucking bust my window open? I'm sorry, you have a mommy wound. I want a lawyer.
These are Bloomington paramedics. They're going to take a look at you real quick. Make sure
They
you're okay.
busted the fucking window open. This is bullshit. Get the f off me! Get off of me! I have a right to tell you to get your hands off of me. No, I don't have a misunderstanding if you let me the f go and leave me alone.
All right, so we are going to go to
I
Bloomington
don't
Police
care.
Department
I don't
for
care.
DUI
I don't
investigation.
care.
See ya.
You guys over dramatically obtained. Can you let me out of the car so I can go inside and continue to holler this?
No, we're not going inside. I've got some paperwork to read to you.
That sounds like a personal problem to me. You're gonna let me the f out of this car.
It says subsequent to an offense for driving.
Why would you do this to somebody who has no offenses?
Just because you don't have any criminal history doesn't mean that you get to get off scot-free if you break the law. You're driving intoxicated and you
broke
resisted.
the law when you broke my window. You broke.
No,
the
I
law
broke a
when you
window. I didn't break the
harassed
law.
me.
Officer, need I remind you that she wasn't driving? She was traveling. I'm just saying. That's what she said, right?
I'm
No,
going to
I am
read
not
this.
signing anything.
I'm not
Why
asking
am I
you-
not at the jail. Get me out of here.
I'm
No.
going to read this.
No.
And
No.
you can scream if
There
you
is
want.
glass in my ass. There really is. Let me pull over and read you something and not take you to the jail. Nope. I have my rights and I want a lawyer. No. I don't give a f. You busted a window and you violated the shit out of me. I want a lawyer.
Are you going to provide a breath sample?
Oh,
No,
boy.
sir.
Will you whip that up and do a refusal for me?
Yeah, we're gonna just lock her up because she does a refusal after you just harassed me, busted out my window, and threw me out my car. No, don't worry. Y'all are about to have a lawsuit on your ass. I would like for the older gentleman to take me to go and urinate. And I'm not hitting on him. It's because he probably has more respect than you young bucks.
Am I the older gentleman?
You are.
I think you are, Sarge.
All right, let's stop this video here with the reference to the older gentleman, not the young bucks. That's funny. Okay, so we have a solved it here, it seems like. Why do I say that? Well, she said traveling. She's not driving, she's traveling. So that would be a soft set. And she also knows the law. And she's just an expert at everything. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your time. And I'll see you in the next one.